First things first, I appreciate your support. This is a Beko semi-automatic washer, new. So I recommend, for starters, if your budget, you have a low budget and you need a washing machine, this is what you can start with. So it's a twin tab because it has two tabs. This is the dryer and the other one is the washer. The dryer is quite small compared to the washer. How to use it? You see here, you can control which water goes to the spinner and which water goes to the wash. Regulating water, you use the main tap. So once you switch on the tap, simple, water starts coming in immediately. So you put your clothes, put your soap, and then switch on the tap. Once the tap is on, you engage the wash timer. So you select the minutes you want the machine to wash. So here depends, like soft clothes, that's delicate. Once you select that, you select the time. So the machine starts washing. That's the pulsator rotating. It goes left, right, causing friction. That is how it washes clothes. So the timer starts moving. It moves. So the time starts reducing. So it will go to 0. The timer will click. Once it's at 0, it's done with the washing. So there's still water in the drum. It has done washing, but there's still water. So you come to the drain timer. So on the drain timer, there we are done with the washing. You start draining water. So it will drain all the water. It's not like a fully automatic machine that detects what time the water should come in and what time the water should go out. Remember, when it starts washing, the tap is switched off, so that water doesn't continue flowing in, because it will cause overflooding. These are things you have to consider when buying this machine, because you have to regulate the way water comes in. Once it's done, the timer is back to 0, then you drain the water. Once you drain the water, now you come to the air dry. You now need to spin the clothes. As I said earlier, the spin tab is quite small compared to the wash tab. So what you need to do is wash dry clothes in steps. Pick a few clothes, throw them in there, and then select the spin time, how many minutes you need the machine to spin. The reason you have to put in small clothes is because the spin tab is small, and if you overload, it will start banging, it will start making noise. After a few years or months, you'll have to replace the entire tab or the motor. You see, when you select the timer for the spin, start coming back to 0. See, it is moving. So it will move to 0, and that's a cycle is done, a spin is done. So it's quite simple to operate this machine. Things you need to look at when you buy a twin tab washing machine is the capacity. Don't overload it. They are not that strong compared to the fully automatic washers, like the top loaders and the front loaders. There's a manual on every twin tab washer. Go through it. Check pockets before doing laundry. Those are things you have to look at. And then the good thing with this machine, even if the pipe is lying low on the ground, it has a valve that controls the way water goes out. So siphoning is not an issue. Remember to subscribe.